Like all material choices, selecting lumber comes down to a balance between beauty and budget. If you're using the lumber for structural purposes such as joists, beams, or wall studs, the look of the lumber isn't especially important. You're never going to see it. If the lumber will be visible, you may want to consider spending a bit more for a higher grade lumber. Now, if you plan to use the lumber for an outdoor project, look for pressure treated lumber that will stand up to the elements. Natural wood cedar and redwood lumber will also resist rotting. These products are a great option for projects like fencing. Lumber is identified by its nominal size, which is the rough dimensions before it's trimmed at the lumber mill. So for instance, a nominal size of a 2x4 is trimmed to an actual size of roughly 1.5 by 3.5 inches. This chart will help you determine the actual size versus the nominal size of some popular lumber choices. For more information, review our detailed lumber buying guide or talk to one of our Home Depot store associates. Good luck and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.